In this tutorial, we will show you how you can install a new theme configuration setup in Kart Discount. To begin, click on the installation instruction inside the theme setup help pop-up. Here you can start creating a new widget. Name your widget and then select the theme you want to create the widget for. Then click on the theme customizer button. For every widget, there will be a unique setup ID that gets generated. This setup ID will have a distinct format. You need to copy this ID and navigate to the app embed page. Paste the setup ID into the designated field and save your changes. Once the changes are saved, then come back to the app's dashboard and verify the modifications that you have made. Now click on the next step and complete the entire widget setup process. Once your widget has been created successfully, you can verify it from the app dashboard page. Thanks for watching. For any questions and queries regarding the app, please contact us at support@anglerfox.com.